In this video, we'll show the key updates in Arams, AI analysis, smart selection, the new photo preparation workflow, and improved color correction. AI photo analysis is now included in Retouch for Me Cloud Retouching subscription. Arams uses this analysis inside the app, assigning ratings, marking potential issues, and helping users navigate large projects more efficiently. A new Smart Selection feature is now available. The user chooses how many photos they want, and Arams automatically analyzes the entire project and suggests the best shots. This saves a huge amount of time, especially on large shoots. The photo preparation workflow has been improved. Arams now creates retouch layers in the background. Users immediately see the results of all selected Retouch for Me tools and can adjust them at any moment. Color correction is now more responsive. All adjustments from exposure to color update in real time, directly in full screen mode. This allows for more precise, instant feedback without any delay. Update Arams and explore the new capabilities in your workflow.